Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry. Today I'm going to show you how to create the Igetis version of Kerfur Omega, which is this crazy robotic bird that I've got here. And to get this, you'll need to wait till the whole repair event on day 39. You'll want to take to the construction site where that hole is in the ground with a grate over top of it. You'll want to grab one of the vent covers from somewhere in the game, either inside of your, main signal scanning room or one of the transformers, and you'll want to leave it on a box near that hole, and then go ahead and remove all of the explosive barrels from that hole so that when the event happens, you don't die. On day 39 or around there, depending on what version of the game you play, you'll see a bunch of purple lights appear in the sky in the direction of the hole. You'll want to drive over there. There'll be a bunch of little Rozital scout robots that are like little tripods with lasers. They want to shoot you to death. Just ignore them and scoot through on your ATV, and then dive into the fenced-off area around the hole, where there will be now a giant bird-like robot like the Kerfur that we're trying to build, doing some type of alien maintenance on the hole. Once you get in there, if you wait a moment, the robots outside will stop attempting to shoot at you. This is why I told you to remove the explosive barrel so they don't, accidentally hit one of them. The explosive barrel goes off and burns you to death. After a few minutes, the bird robot will flop around to the back, and it will swap out a battery, and it'll throw the expended battery/capsule into the hole where there's a laser. It'll probably impact the laser and then disintegrate. What you want to do is grab that grate I told you to grab and hold it up so that when he throws the capsule down, it bounces off the grate and then lands safely outside of the hole. That capsule is what you need to create the Kerfur Omega. Take that back to base, hit escape to open up your settings, and you want to go into your gameplay settings, and there's a little checkbox that says the funny or the silly mode or whatever. Activate that. That's what allows you to utilize the different Kerfur Omega skins. After that, place Kerfur Omega on the work table. You're going to have to make the uncolored version of Kerfur Omega if you have like a blue or a pink version. And then you're going to combine it with the Rozital capsule in order to make the Igetis version of Kerfur Omega. And this is basically the process you go to with any of the other skins for this. You get the required material to combine with a default version of Kerfur Omega with no coloration, and you'll get a cool skinned version. And they can still wear all of the different cosmetic items like coats and everything that you would normally wear with them otherwise. And that's it. Now you have your very own soulless, non-reflective eyed robot that will judge you inside of your server room. So yeah, that's about it. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.